Yeah, hold on. Go.
This is Pinky. He's a male cat, domestic short hair. He's available for adoption. He's pet of the week, Placer County Animal Shelter. He's a very loving cat.
Hang on to us, please. Oh, yeah. Pinky.
Pinky.
Pinky. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, we got a wildcat on our hands. Pinky, settle down, bud. Careful, Cole. Careful. Why don't I get a catch pole? Somebody get a catch pole.
Oh. Pinky.
Just set it over.
No.
Get a catch pole.
You catch our pole to get him?
Yeah, because I'm not going to grab him. Oh-ho. Dude.
Watch it cut up in there. Just disconnect it from the deck. You got him back?
Use my language.
You got him in the car?